Hello friends, let's create sky using free Blender add-on Dynamic Sky. For that, go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons and search for Dynamic Sky. Enable it. Back to 3D viewport, sidebar, and press Create tab. Press Create and you will see note. Please select the world named Dynamic 1 from the Properties World. So go to World Properties and select Dynamic 1. Choose Render Preview and you'll already see sky, but in a sidebar panel you have settings to adjust your sky. For example, brightness, shadow color, saturation, of course sky color, for example like this. Horizon color, cloud density, Thanks for watching, subscribe, more videos soon.